My name is
Good
Manish,
afternoon.
and I'm a practicing chartered accountant in Delhi. Today, I'm excited to present my tool, Smart Bank Entry Pro. So let's me share my screen. Is my screen visible, sir?
Yes.
So my problem statement is this. Currently, we manual post all the bank entries in Tally, and due to this, we have to depend on our staff because it is a repetitive task. And many times staff make mistake in ledger selection and narration mapping with the bank entry. And currently there is no automated bridge between the bank statement and the televouchers. So I have prepared a tool, Smart Bank Entry Pro. It is a desktop automation tool. It directly posts the bank entries in Tally. It also gives XML for importing Tally. This tool connects to Tally via ODBC for the real-time ledger fetching so that we can map the ledger with the entries. This tool is modern and user-friendly GUI for reviewing and mapping the entries with correct ledger. It eliminates manual bank data entry and reduces the error and provide more accuracy. The key feature of this tool, it auto identifies receipt and payment because we have put some rule there to identify whether it is a receipt or payment. This tool gives laser selection option to the user with a drop-down menu. It also provides direct posting entries into Tally and also have feature to export XML. So and later on we can import the XML in Tally. This tool has a very beautiful and modern interface built with Python PY 6. Using this tool, we can make an entry within minutes and save a lot of time. So this is the workflow architecture, but I want to show practical use of this. So as you can see, this is my Tally data open and bank. There is no entry for in during the 24-25. So this is my bank statement, and you can see that opening balance is matching 5,13,285, and here also 5,13,285. So here we have to just make an extra column that is net amount. It will be credit minus debit. We have to put a formula and we just have to drag it. We have to create a template. This is our template format. To complete this template, we only need three things: date, description or narration, and amount. So we will copy one by one everything. First of all, we will copy the dates. Then we will copy the narration. And at last, we will copy the net amount because we have given the rule that if figure is positive, then the entry will go to receipt, and if figure is negative, then the entry will go to payment. So our template is ready. Now we will open our tool. Here, first of all, we have to connect this tool with the Tally. We have to click here, and you can see that it is showing the company name which is open in Tally. Then we have to fetch bank ledger. It will fetch all the bank ledger which are created in Tally. And we can see that we have to make entry in Yes Bank. So we will select here Yes Bank. Now we will fetch all ledgers because it will help us mapping the entry with the ledger, correct ledger. Then we will import bank statement template which we have just made. You can see that all entries, these are 280 entries which are appearing here. One by one, we will select the ledger. Suppose I'm selecting here. These are just all dummy entries. Cash. I cannot select all the ledger in all the entries because it will take a lots of time. That's why I'm selecting some so that I can show you the ledger posted in correct entry. So now we have completed, and now just we will have to click post to tally, and it will automatically transfer all the entries in tally. Oh, I think there is some error. Let me see. I think I have to do it again. Sorry. Okay. I think due to some error, it is not completely. Oh, let me show you again. Sorry for the inconvenience. I think I have to do this again. Now we'll create. I think all entry has been done. As you can see that now the closing balance.
The last 1 minute is left.
Okay, ma'am. I have almost done. You can see that closing balance is 30,260. I have another option also. I can export the XML and then later on we can import in Tally. If you want to clear, then we just have to click here, clear entries, and it will be cleared. Actually, the main now come to impact and benefit. It saves 75 to 80% of manual work time. It eliminates manual posting errors done by staff. It provides laser mapping through a modern GUI. It improves productivity for CFM and the SMA clients. It has a strong foundation for future AI-driven laser prediction. Thank you.
The time is over.
Thank you, ma'am. I will be happy to answer any question.
Great presentation, Manish ji.
Thank
Just
you.
one question from my end.
Hmm.
So now, if you see, we are at Tally 6.2 in the Prime version, and we'll be coming up with Tally 7. They'll be coming up with Tally 7 also. In the
Yes.
Tally 6, they introduced a feature for importing entries through bank statements for Excel or PDF, certain versions. How
Yes, sir.
how do you say your tool is different from the feature which is already existing in Tally?
Yeah, yes, sir. Actually, if you will try that import feature, that is difficult for every user. But I have made a simple template for this. We just have to copy paste only three things, and it will create all the entries.
Okay, and have you tried it with multiple bank accounts or multiple bank formats, or is it just
Yes, sir. Yeah.
simplified to one?
Yes, sir. Because it works with multiple format because we have to make a CSV template. So it
Okay,
doesn't depend on what format bank is given to us.
all right, right. Thank you. Karthik, sir?
Yeah. Manish ji, great work.
Thank you.
I have a couple of questions here.
Thank
First,
you.
I would like to know the GUI, which library of Python you have used for the GUI?
So PySide 6.
Okay, great. Uh, Secondly, as to continue from Rishi's question, uh, I saw a takeaway that this tool is aimed at saving time and efficiency. Uh, See, Tally 6.2 present version has an import feature wherein once you import,
ले नहीं
again
गया
manually you need
कैसे
to
बात करूं
map the ledger there as well, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So can you quantify the time savings that that can be visibly stated here? Because there when you import a bank statement, I believe by default Tally categorizes everything into suspense account, and
Hmm.
then manually you will have to select the ledger where it belongs to. Or
Yes.
the conventional way, like even in Tally ERP9, it used to happen. The CSV format of bank statement, if available from the bank itself, not the converted one, can be
Yes.
imported. Entries won't be posted. It will be in the reconciliation page. You go
Okay.
and manually map the entries, right?
Sir,
So here also that manual mapping is required. So can you quantify the time savings?
sir, actually, if you will import the Excel or SUV in Tele 6.2, then you have to go to open all the entries and select the laser, and then control A again and again. You have to press. But in my tool, you just have to double click and you can select any laser. If you have more than suppose 500 laser, you can search and select. You can type the laser name and it will appear. So we
Okay.
don't have to open all the entries.
Okay. So
Yes.
now when the GUI, when the app opens in the GUI, what you have shown,
Yes.
Tally has to be open and it takes a ODBC connection where it will import all the masters available in Tally, you mean to say.
Yes, sir.
So the
Yes, sir.
masters are preloaded, so you just select from the drop down.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the time saving that you were targeting.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Over to you, Sumit sir.
Thank you, Karthik sir. So just a follow-up question. One was with respect to Karthik sir. So say for instance in a bank statement, if
Yes.
there's a payment from Sumit Bihani for 15 number of line items, can 15 number of line items be ticked in one go, or you have to do it in a multiple,
No, sir. In this tool, we have to do it again and again. We have to select.
So one small suggestion from my side that you can further build this so that this time saving can further be saved.
Actually,
And
I will definitely do this, and I am
appreciate.
also thinking another thing that is laser prediction of laser. This
Correct.
tool,
Machine
I want.
learning can be correct.
Yes,
Great.
sir. Pass from past entry, I want this tool to learn that which laser should be selected.
True. So just one small last question that in case there's a pay entry which is like Sumit and TDS both are clubbed entries. So how is the tool taking care of that? So
So
debit
they,
is one line item and credit is two line item.
sir, no, this tool can do this. We have to do it manually in going to Tally.
Great. So that's thank you from my side, and Rishiji, we can go to the next participant. Thank you so
Thank you,
much,
sir.
Manish.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Manish ji. Now we move to the fifth panelist for today, that is CA Gurvin Narangji. I'm sorry, the